So as gamers, we love to be transported into different worlds so we can battle and do justice. Now, when our friends at LG reached out and said, hey, would you like to check out the OLED TV and transport yourself to Valhalla? I said, yes, bring on Thor, Odin, and let's go. Hey guys, Thunder E here, and welcome to my video on the LG 48-inch OLED TV. This is probably the best TV I think you should use for your gaming experience. Now, I want to let you guys know that I partner with LG on this video, and as I mentioned in the beginning, they reached out for me to check out their OLED to see how it is playing a game like Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Now, I'm playing this on my Xbox Series X or also your PlayStation 5, doesn't really matter because this takes your next-gen gaming experience to the very next level. Now, you guys have seen and heard how well LG OLEDs have done, and I've got to tell you though, on first-hand experience, this thing looks absolutely amazing. 8 million pixels, true blacks, and you know, you've got just nice colors all around, so your gaming experience playing Assassin's Creed looks really good. Now, this TV has a ton of features that allow your gaming experience to go to the next level. First and foremost, it's got 4 HDMI 2.1 ports supporting 4K 120, which means any port you plug your consoles to, you are good to go to get the best experience possible. You've got G-Sync support, FreeSync support as well. And again, I think this will give you the look that you're looking for. Now, of course, Assassin's Creed Valhalla is a great game to play. I'm trying to power myself through because I just started playing the game. And I can tell you though, it looks great on this TV and it feels really nice. The fast response time is also fantastic, at 1 millisecond. So you've got everything you need as a gamer. Plus the colors, whether you're playing during daytime or at night, it is vibrant, it is sharp, and it looks fantastic. So you can pick up your shield, your axes, run around and also jump into some awesome gameplay. Now, the other thing I do like about this TV, of course, is the remote control. Now, it's the Magic One remote that has a bunch of features. Now, on the remote itself, you've got a quick access button to your favorite streaming apps you can use, but you also have the ability to access some really nice in-depth menus, especially for, of course, audio and sound. Now, speaking of sound, they've got a feature called AI Sound Pro that is truly unique. I mean, it takes the sound of the TV, amplifies it, feels like it's a surround sound system. And trust me, when you listen to it, you will be impressed yourself. So let's take a quick listen.
If I give my life, will you spare my clan?
Daddy, no! Pick up your axe!
Kill them all!
No!
Are you bewitched? Unbind us! What? Oh, yes, of course.
Okay, that sounded amazing. I mean, the sound quality from this TV with the TV speakers alone is truly impressive. You don't need a sound bar, you don't need speakers. You can get to superb volume playing your games on the LG OLED TV. So look, honestly guys, this TV has some great picture quality, it's got some great audio quality as well, and the response that you need for gaming is built right in. So if you have any questions or any comments, let me know. If you definitely want to check out this TV and find out more, or also maybe pick it up, use the link down below in the description. This is Thunder E saying thank you and always enjoy entertainment.